everyone, this is your course instructor Bisma Usman and our today's topic is interjections. So let's see what are interjections. An interjection is a part of speech that demonstrates the feelings and emotions of the author or speaker. एक ऐसे words जो speaker के emotions को जाहिर करते हैं. Like when our light gone, we say, oh no, light has gone. Or we say, oh ho, light को भी अभी जाना था. Or if any of our plan cancels, then we say, oh, that's so bad that our plan has cancelled. So the feelings, the words that are used to express our feelings are called interjections. For example, is used for a thoughtful action. Darn is used for disappointment. Well is used when we are thinking something or when we are angry. Oh is used to express your grief. Alas is used to express your grief as well. Dingo is used when we have to express that something is right. Okay, you can see the exclamatory marks on these. So these exclamatory marks are really important when we use oh, alas, dingo and many other words like that. So I hope you have understood the interjections. Let's move forward towards some examples of it. The number one example is alas, which shows grief. Alas, I have lost my car keys. Number second is, oh, she is sick again. It also describes the sadness. Number third is, yay, we are going on a picnic. That describes excitement. Number fourth is, well, that was a stupid thing to do. That expresses disappointment or anger. So I hope you have understood this whole topic. We will meet again with another video. Till then, bye.